Hi guys, Fanplus app is having an event now. The event will go on from 13 May 12 AM to 16 May 11:59 PM Korea time. During these 4 days, you can get 3 times voting ticket. So you can get 3 times voting ticket by watching video ads. And you can also get 3 times voting ticket when your friends send you voting tickets. Don't miss this event cause it's not always you get 3 times the voting ticket. Tickets that your friends send to you will appear at the mailbox. If the event didn't happen, you receive 6 votes from your friend. Now there's 18 votes cause 6 times 3 is 18. So you receive 18 votes from each friend during this event. You can also send votes to friend by clicking the friend button and then click send all. Friend will also receive 18 votes, which is 3 times compared to the votes that you send on a normal day. You can send votes 3 times a day to each friend. So now you need to go watch ads. This is the home page. Now you need to go to the vote page. Press on the vote button at the below. You can see they watch video ads. You can watch ads 5 times every 1 hour. Maximum amount of time you can watch video ads is 30 times a day. You can check the amount of votes that you earn by pressing on voting status. Press on the voting status and then you can see the votes that you have now. I currently have 6,308 votes. Votes will expire, so you need to look at it use it before it expires. Now I have 0 votes that will expire. So I will show you the proof that I earned 3 times than normal. So this is the history of votes that I earned by watching video ads. On 7 May, where the event haven't started, I earned 15 votes only per ads. And today, the first day of the event, I earned 45 votes. 15 times 3 is 45. Through the event, so it's 3 times. So use it properly. Watch video ads. Other than that, you can use 3 times booster. 3 times booster is found at the item box. I will show you how to get the 3 times booster later. Activate the 3 times booster is 24 hours. Okay, so during this event, if you use the 3 times booster, you will get 9 times the voting ticket. This 3 times booster will only help to boost the voting ticket you receive from your friend. The voting ticket you get from watching video ads will still be only times 3, even though you use this another times 3 booster, cause this another times 3 booster can only help to boost the times of ticket you receive from your friend. Actually, when this event haven't started, the voting tickets I received from friends is only 6 voting tickets, and then now because I use the booster and then plus this event, so I get 54 voting tickets from friends, each friends. That's mean the 6 times 9 is 54. You can go to the item shop to buy the 3 times booster, but I don't think you need to buy that booster because you can earn it from attendance, signing into this app every day. You can sign in the app by pressing on the calendar button there. You check into this app, you can earn coins, and then you see on the 7th day, you cumulatively sign into this app for 7 days, you can earn one of the 3 times booster. And I got it because I checked in straightly for 17 days accumulatively. The 3 times booster will go into your item box. So press the item box and just press use to use the 3 times booster. If you already have the 3 times booster, use it during this event period. You can earn 9 times the voting ticket. If you want to use this Fanplus app, go to my description box below. I will insert my link there, the link to register, and then you will earn 500 coins. So continue to earn the voting ticket and use the voting ticket to vote for the best girl group contest. So that's all from me. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.